In this video, you'll discover the top 5 practical applications of Claude Opus in solving complex coding problems, optimizing your workflow, and enhancing your coding skills.
Did you know that Claude Opus can revolutionize your coding process? In the next 15 minutes, we're diving into the top 5 ways this AI powerhouse optimizes coding workflows. From generating code to spotting errors, Claude Opus is your secret weapon in coding. Stay tuned to discover how you can elevate your coding game.
Claude Opus is more than just a tool, it's a comprehensive AI coding assistant designed to streamline your workflow. It offers real-time problem-solving capabilities, seamlessly integrates with various coding environments, and enhances coding accuracy. Whether you're debugging complex scripts or crafting new algorithms, Claude Opus provides the support you need to work more efficiently and effectively. Automated code generation is one of Claude Opus's standout features. By automating repetitive tasks, it allows developers to focus on more creative aspects of coding. This feature not only speeds up the development process but also reduces the risk of human error. Supporting multiple programming languages, Claude Opus empowers you to generate code snippets quickly, helping to prototype and iterate your projects faster than ever before. Syntax errors can be a coder's nightmare, but with Claude Opus, those days are over. The AI provides real-time syntax checking, highlighting errors as you code. It suggests corrections, helping you learn and improve your coding skills. This not only boosts your coding efficiency but also enhances the overall quality of your code. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned developer, mastering syntax correction with Claude Opus is a game changer.
Logical errors can be elusive and time-consuming to fix. Claude Opus excels in identifying these errors by analyzing your code's logic. It provides detailed insights, helping you understand where the logic fails. This feature not only improves your debugging process but also enhances the reliability of your applications. By using Claude Opus, you'll spend less time hunting bugs and more time developing robust code. Performance optimization is crucial for any successful application. Claude Opus offers in-depth performance analysis, identifying bottlenecks in your code. It suggests optimizations, helping to improve the efficiency and speed of your applications. By leveraging AI for performance tuning, you can ensure that your software runs smoothly, providing a better experience for users. Documentation is an essential part of coding, and Claude Opus simplifies this task. With automated documentation generation, it creates clear and concise documentation for your projects. This not only saves time but also enhances collaboration by making your code more understandable to others. Good documentation is key to maintaining and scaling projects, and Claude Opus ensures you get it right every time. When comparing Claude Opus to other AI coding tools, several unique features stand out. Its user-friendly interface and versatility in handling various coding tasks set it apart from competitors. While other tools may specialize in certain areas, Claude Opus offers a balanced suite of features that cater to a wide range of coding needs. Understanding these differences can help you choose the best tool for your workflow.
Integrating Claude Opus into your daily workflow is a straightforward process that can significantly boost your productivity. The tool offers customizable settings that allow you to tailor it to your specific coding needs. By enhancing your coding experience and supporting continuous learning, Claude Opus becomes an indispensable part of your toolkit, helping you tackle complex coding challenges with ease.
We've explored the top 5 use cases for Claude Opus in coding, showcasing its potential to transform your workflow. AI tools like Claude Opus are revolutionizing the way we code, and embracing these technologies can lead to significant improvements in efficiency and productivity. We'd love to hear how you plan to use Claude Opus in your projects. Drop a comment below, like this video, and subscribe for more insights into cutting-edge coding tools.